Oh, hi everybody. I'm at Lowe's today and I'm gonna show some of the plants. Oh wow, look at this is what you call plant heaven. This place is packed. Let's go in here first. I can't see too good and I got my mask on, so I don't know if you can hear me that well. Oh, I have to go all the way around. Okay, I went around. Look at all the plants. Ooh, look at the roses. Ooh, I could get some of these. Uh-oh. Let's see what these are. Sunny knockout rose. Roses. We got bushes. More bushes. These are all pretty. Okay, I'm gonna work my way over. Okay, this is another area. Oh, they got proven winner. Oh, these are gorgeous. Geraniums. Yeah, geraniums. Look at all the flowers. Ooh, marigolds, that's what I want. I gotta get a cart. Look at all these. Look at all these plants. We go around this way. Okay. Petunias. Loads of petunias. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at these. Hyacinthus. Hyacinthus. Can't pronounce too good. Some beautiful tulips. Ooh, they got more of these this year. I had a video on these. Persillus. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Okay, now we're inside. More marigolds. Wow, these are beautiful. Got the Boston ferns. Loads of these. Plenty of bushes. Ooh, these are pretty. Succulents. All in a container down here. Man, this place is loaded. And it's pretty hot today. Bougainvillea. Let's see what's over here. Ooh, look at all the succulents. Oh. Ugh. This is pretty. Oh, I'm gonna get that. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, what are these? Succulents. I don't see a name on here. These are pretty too. All the plants. I'm gonna pick up some things and then I'll show you when I get home what I got. First time doing this, hope it came out all right. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, I'm home now and these are the plants I got. I got some succulents. This one's called Graptosedum. Got one of those. And I got two of these. These ones are sedum pork and beans. Cute. And I got this one here. It's another succulent. Rainbow elephant bush. Ooh, these are pretty. I was like a child in a candy store today. And let's see, we got different types of marigolds. French marigolds, dwarf. There's another French marigold. And there's some more. Orange and yellow's all they had. And these ones here, these are the African marigolds. Pretty. And back here I got the blue moon phlox. This is a perennial too back here. These are pretty. And I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with all these and some how to care for videos for some of the succulents, and I'll tell you about them. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. Bye-bye for now.